They're gonna go nuts when he hits this thing.
Let's do this. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times, boom, weird. Today's episode is all about how to draw love, passion, and emotion out of your subject in front of the camera, whether it's photo or video. What you think about that? Think about that. Put my hand here on my prop that I'm not using. I thought I was going to need my extra light, but I didn't, so I'm going to rest my hand here. How do you do it? Do you want to know how I do it? I'll tell you, for free. I'm imparting all this knowledge and wisdom on you for free. No, for reals. Two words. And they are quite simple. Two words that I had used a lot of when I was younger in school. And the swim coach that we had in Blue Springs, Missouri, his name was Coach Shalley. I have no idea what his first name was. Don't remember, don't care. The guy was a real piece of work. And he was a D-bag and an a-hole and a million other terrible things. But the team won every year. And one of the things that he did that I use for all of my photos that involve the opportunity to get love, passion, and emotion out of my subject is visualization. It's one word. I was going to say previs, but no, it's visualization. In the sports industry, then it's pre-visualization. You have to see yourself winning. But I like to take my couples, my client, my individual, or a couple or multiple people, however many it might be in front of the camera. If there's a specific look that I'm pushing for, I will quite literally take them on a mental journey, on an emotional journey. That's what I do. What do you do? What do you do for your videos? Totally share downstairs. I'm gonna set my prop down. Share downstairs in the kilt zone. Ooh, my light almost fell off the windowsill. That would have sucked. No, for reals, share downstairs in the kilt zone and let's wrap it up. Yeah. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode was talking all about how you can evoke love, passion, and emotion out of your subjects. I'd love to learn what you guys do. Share in the Kilt Zone. And if you are subscribing on YouTube and other platforms, thank you very much. If you're liking, commenting, and sharing, hold on, ASMR clapping. Did you hear that? That's kind of fun. And remember to do one thing and one thing properly. Until next time. Wonder what it could be. Hey, I know. Let's just go get a beer, man. Yeah. No. If you are having a beer, make sure it's a Newcastle Brown Ale to go with a platter of nachos. But realistically, until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. You know what it is. If you do, put it in the Kilt Zone. Share downstairs. Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.